25 kg granule packing machine from the first Z-type elevator, and then to this main packing machine. It can pack from 10 to 25 kg. And after that, here's the winding sealing machine and then stitching machine. So we will test it before we send the machine to customer. So first we clamp the back, okay, and then machine clamps the filling. And it's filling. We test with rice and 10 kg. So after filling well, then people move it to the next sealing position. This part it can also winning. So after that we'll sealing the bag. Okay. After sealing, then we will move it to this stitching machine. So after sealing, then here is stitches the bag. Okay, after stitching, this line is okay. So this is the packing line. If you need, you can contact us.